Welcome to Greg's Inside Studio. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and ringing that notification bell down below so you don't miss any future content. Alright, today we have a special item from JLabs for review right after this unboxing video, so let's get to it. Alright, if you like what you see here, or have any suggestions for future content, please leave a comment down below. Alright, this time JLabs is not a sponsor, nor am I getting paid for this review, just an unbiased review of my own. JLabs has recently released a line of budget microphones. This is a game changer for anyone looking for a quality mic for a great price. You'll have a choice of 3 mics to choose from USB. The Talk Go is $49, the Talk USB mic is $99, and the Talk Pro for $149. Alright, let's go over some features of each mic. The Talk Go features 96 kHz sample rate, 24 bits, 2 condensers, which gives you 2 directional patterns, Cardioid and Omnidirectional, volume control, quick mute, plug and play with a 5-foot USB cable. The Talk features 96 kHz sample rate, 24 bits, 3 condensers, which gives you 4 direction pattern modes. Cardioid, omnidirectional, stereo, and bidirectional. That's also plug and play with a 6.5-foot USB cord. And finally, right here you have the Talk Pro mic. Some of the features are 192 kHz sample rate, 24-bit, 3 condensers, which gives you that 4 direction pattern modes, Cardioid, omnidirectional, stereo, and bidirectional. Also, on the back side here, you got a volume control knob, gain control knob. Also, on this side, you have a quick mute button and a feature select button, which allows you to check through each one of these modes here. It also comes with a 10-foot USB cable, which is braided, gold plated, and it comes at 90-degree angle here. So then it's kind of out of the way when you're using the microphone. Pretty good, I think. The microphone works with Windows and Mac operating systems and requires no software to download. Just simply plug and play. Once this system sets the drivers, you'll be all good to go. Alright, this Talk Pro microphone, grade mic, You can use it for video chat, podcast, or studio mic, whatever set your needs. The mic comes with the swivel mount right here. Also a desktop tripod, which is pretty nice. Microphone also has no latency. Mic without the stand weighs at 266.5 grams and 501.4 with the complete stand on it. The mic matches the Blue Yeti Pro, but with a better price point. Overall, the mic feels like it's well built and solid, but light feeling at the same time. This is all metal up here at the top and plastic at the bottom. The Talk Pro has a AUX for monitoring live output with headphones right here. There's your USB port on the back, your 5/8 mic stand jack, and also there's a little button down in here. That allows you to change the color of this LED here and actually change the colors, the patterns, leave it solid, or you can even turn it off. I think it's just a little extra feature that they threw in there. On the front here, you have a monitor which shows you the levels of your microphone volume or your gain control right here. Alright, so let's show you what it looks like when it's on. This is what it's going to look like when you plug your microphone. You have green and blue. You see the difference between gain control and volume control. This light indicates what mode you're on as far as what microphone pattern. You can press the JLab logo so you can change between the patterns. This is your mute button. When it's red, it's muted. When it's unmuted, it's green. If you see here and I adjust the volume control, it's blue. And your gain control is in green. You have your lights on the bottom here. Default is blue. If you press the button, you can cycle through the different color patterns. Not sure if you guys are able to see that on there or not, but you have several patterns to choose from. You'll be able to cycle through. And then you also have rainbow colors. And eventually they'll go solid colors without cycling around in circles. You have a lot of colors to choose from here. Or if you simply don't want those on, just press the button for about 5 seconds. You can turn the lights off completely. If you want them to have back on again, just press and hold the button again for about 5 seconds. Bink. Very simple here. If you decide you don't understand, you just take the knobs off the side. Very easy to do. Just like that. And now it's freed up. Now you're able to hang it upside down on a boom or put it on a mic stand, mic arm, or anything like that. You can do whatever you would like with it. Definitely great product. 3 great microphones to choose from. Check out JLab's website to compare all of them. These microphones match Blue Yeti 100%, except for the price point is at a much better level. If you like what you see, or don't like what you see, or if you have any comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you.